topic pros and cons of artificial intelligence. Our group consists of 5 members, and we are Ashwin Devu, Aishri Ganesh, Bolini Kavya, Dainika, and myself Arunraj Radhakrishnan. The group discussion starts. Hi everyone. The GD topic for group discussion is artificial intelligence pros and cons. Artificial intelligence is a concept which refers to the programming which can make things intelligent. In simpler terms, the program or machine is made such a way it keeps on learning with whatever output the input creates. In my opinion, artificial intelligence is a boon to humanity as it can vastly create more opportunities for people.
Hi everyone. As far as my opinion is concerned, the use of machine learning or artificial intelligence should be restricted and should not be made a way of life. It can have serious repercussions if machines become more intelligent than humans. In an limited environment, machines can prove beneficial, but human intelligence should also remain in control of on machines.
Well, that holds true for everything that there should be a balance, but improvements in artificial intelligence can create a world of opportunities. Consider the example of driverless cars, which are being created by the leading tech companies in the world with the sheer use of machines, programs, softwares, AI, etc. Driving cars would become automated. If all cars are running on AI, it could cause a reduction in traffic accident, speed controls, and there will be no human errors. People often get tired of exhausted or lose concentration while driving, but with driverless cars, there will be no such situations. Hence, there is definitely a strong merit in artificial intelligence.
Hi. In a few scenarios, it may seem a good option. But what about unemployment? Increasing machines and technological advancements have always created unemployment. The work which was earlier done by 50 people, if it is done by a single AI-based machine, it would create lack of jobs. And if this is expanded across business sectors and is increased over years, it could create a massive problem for the human race as there would be unemployment problems and hence more poverty, hunger, and related issues.
Exactly. All the jobs which humans do, if done by machines, would lead to mass unemployment, and eventually, it reduces the economic growth of the country.
I beg to differ. What a technological advertisements which has been created because of artificial intelligence. For example, websites which help users search online or relevant ads on websites, etc., have helped boost business and sales. In fact, a lot of new opportunities have been created because of AI in business. Efficiency have gone up, errors have reduced, timelines of deliveries have shortened, and all this was possible because of machine learning.
There has to be a good balance between how and where to use artificial intelligence. Eventually, I feel that humans should have the final control over whatever machine learning or artificial intelligence program is being created, because no machine can ever have feelings or passion as a human possesses.
Healthcare has vastly been benefited by AI. There has been better forecasting, trend analysis, symptom reading, etc., which has enabled the doctors to take much by critical decisions within a curable span. Also, use of machine learning in banking has enabled to reduce frauds as irregularities can be caught urgently and bank stocks can intervene on priority.
These interventions are fine, but can a machine replace the human touch or be compassionate? A machine can solve technical queries, but can it resolve issues dealing with human stress?
Currently, the answer is no, but it can be developed in the near future. As we are aware, the robot named Sophia was given the citizenship of Saudi Arabia. The robot was able to interact with humans based on basic conversations. If molded properly, it can create a great opportunity.
As much as we deny, even today we are surrounded by artificial intelligence. Websites suggesting best product or placing order for pizza over a call with IVR are asking a program about weather is all a sign of machine learning. If we look at it or a development perspective, humans and machines are together solving problems and that too at faster rate.
Yeah, that's true. Companies and governments are investing billions of dollars in ensuring more machine learning based tools, which would calculate, evaluate, and give the best solution to the human problems, which can help streamline things like water, electricity, etc. distributions.
The drawback, however, of more artificial intelligence would be devaluing the human brain. Because a human would always make mistakes, get exhausted, and would forget things. Whereas a machine would never face these issues and would eventually replace people.
Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is a piece of science which focuses on making a machine more intelligent by programming it for constant learning. There have been several innovations in this field which have reduced human effort and give accurate and quick solution to human problems. However, the drawback is too much dependency on machines could eliminate the need of humans in business, and it could lead to serious issues like unemployment, poverty, economic instability, etc. Facts related to the group discussion. Artificial intelligence in the healthcare industry could be worth 6.7 billion by 2021. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is a piece of science which focuses on making a machine more intelligent by programming it for constant learning. There have been several innovations in the field which have reduced human effort and help give accurate and quick solution to human problems. However, the drawback is too much dependence on machines could eliminate the need of human in business and could lead a serious issue like unemployment, poverty, economic instability, etc. Facts related to group discussion. Artificial intelligence in the healthcare industry could be worth 6.7 billion by 2021.
Market value of Alexa would be approximately $10 billion.
Hangzhou in China, with a population of 9 million, is the world's first AI-powered smart city and has a city brain which helps in water, gas, electricity services, etc.
As a field of study, artificial intelligence was created in the year 1956.
Subfields of AI include robotics, neural networks, machine learning, etc.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.